I promise you, I can teach you how to play drums in about 2 minutes.
Come on. Here we go, here we go.
The first time I played, I was 5 years old. I learned how to play by watching my dad. This is the foundation of who I am. Every single piece of me is in these drums. Everything. 1, 2, 3, go. In this masterclass, I'm gonna teach you how to find your rhythm, the fundamentals of percussion and drumming, and how to perform with a band. Some funk beats can be a little more complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still in time, but it makes it funky. Now, this next beat consists of 3 sounds. So the first one is, and then a slap. My right hand is gonna keep time. Someone said to me, "You're a woman who said that you can be the best?" I said I can be the best.
Come on,
If you don't have drums, that's okay. Pick up an instrument, do something, play, and enjoy yourself and make it fun. Because when you know what your passion is and what your purpose is, and you go for it, no one and nothing can stand in your way. I'm Sheila E, and this is my masterclass.